Gude and welcome to this video about how to automate voice dataset creation using Whisper AI. So if you think on creating your personal voice clone to make technology speak with your own voice, this is really pretty cool. Until you might hear about the effort for creating a structured and textual transcribed voice dataset for doing the actual AI or machine learning part. If you do not know about a voice dataset, I'll put a link to a video I made on that in the description box. But if you already have existing raw audio data, but without the transcription, this video will show you step by step how to transform your unstructured voice data into a famous supported LJ speech supported structure ready for doing voice clone magic using Python and Whisper AI for the speech recognition. And the best part of all of this is completely working offline. So no audio data will leave your personal computer. Okay, interested? Well, now let's go. To create an LJ speech structured voice dataset out of raw audio data, I've created this repository on GitHub, a link in the description box, obviously. So this audio to voice dataset, which has just two files, the script, the Python-based script itself, and some simple Python requirements. So it's a Python-based logic. So I would say let's start by doing the first thing I like on when working with Python. So create Python virtual environment. So for that, let's run Python with that venv parameter. Once created, let's take a look. So let's activate it by running venv bin activate. And now I'm inside my YouTube Python virtual environment with just the two default packages installed. So let's start by satisfying our dependencies. So take a look to requirements.txt. Let's save the file to this YouTube directory. Once the file is saved, let's go back here. And you can see this downloaded requirements.txt file. Let's satisfy these dependencies by running pip install -r requirements.txt. Once all the dependencies are satisfied, let's run pip list again. Should be longer now. Okay, as expected, including our OpenAI locally running Whisper STT speech recognition engine. So, and that's all for the preparation. Now let's go back to our GitHub repository and take the actual script. So this create LJ speech Python script and save it to the same directory. And inside this script there are three parameters you might take a look to. One is required, two are optional. So for the required one, here is this input dir variable pointing to the directory. So you do not have to just put in one WAV file, you can put in a directory name, and inside this directory you can put lots of WAV file recordings into, and these will be processed in alphabetical order. So for this test, I have cooking recipe-like prepared some audio files. So just rec1 and rec2 WAV. We can listen to these files for a test. Creating your personal voice clone to make technology speak with your own voice is really cool. Listen to the whole file, but you get the point. Let's close this and let's keep structure nice and clean. Create a new folder, but that's totally up to you. But I personally like my structure a little bit nice and clean. So we have this input directory with two WAV files. No structure, no textual transcript, just raw audio input and the requirements and the script. So let's adjust the script with our text editor or Visual Studio Code or whatever you would like to use. Let's make it a little bit bigger and set this input path to input. Can I make the font a little bit bigger? Okay, that's too big. What's that? I've increased the text size a little bit so it's easier for you to read. Please let me know in the comment box below if this is okay for you to read. So I've adjusted this input directory path to input, so to the name. Obviously our WAV files are input, and there are two other variables you might take a look to. This is the min silence length in milliseconds. So depending on how long you have a break between each sentence, because basically the LJ speech dataset has one sentence in one audio file. Again, I'll put a link to a video about the LJ speech structure I've made recently in the description box. So you might have to adjust this value if your sentences or the break between each sentences is not determined correct. And if the sentences are cut off too hard, you might adjust the keep silence. So if the end of the cut off sentences is missing, you might want to play around with this value. But for this test, I will stay with the default values, input parameter, and this default. So, and that's all. Let's save the script. Go back to our terminal. So we have this adjusted create LJ speech Python script, our input directory with the WAV files, and yeah, that's it. So we are ready to go. Now let's make this a little bit bigger so you can see hopefully it a little bit better. And let's simply run Python with that create LJ speech Python script. Script is finished. That's been real time on my MacBook Air. As you can see, it's printing out, processing the rec1 wave file and the, where is it, rec2 wave. These warnings are because I have no GPU power on my MacBook Air, but we can ignore this by now. So script is finished. Now let's go back to our Finder to see the result. We now have an additional output folder. Let's take a look here with audio subfolder and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, as you can see by the file name, not by counting. So we have 5 sentences detected by the script. So let's listen to one of these split phrases, like this one. Using a little Python script and Whisper by OpenAI, you can transform your existing raw audio data with locally running speech recognition into a voice dataset. Using a little Python script and Whisper by OpenAI, so you can transform your existing raw audio data with local... Let's stop this, but you can hear that this has been split correctly, I guess. And so you can see our 2 WAV file unstructured has been split up by sentences into in total 5 WAV files. And now let's take a look to the metadata CSV file, which is an important part of the LJ speech structure. Let's make it a little bit better to read. So hopefully you can see it. So we have these phrases here, but please give this result a closer look. So not all phrases probably might be detected correctly by Whisper. So for example, do not forget to subscribe to my Trust Me, and Voice YouTube channel, which has been originally recorded by, please don't forget to subscribe to my Thorsten-Voice YouTube channel. That is original recording, so please check the result of this speech synthesis process and adjust it or correct any issues. I hope you like this video, the script, you'll find it helpful. I know there's room for improvement, but for a first version, I hope this is useful. Please let me know in the comments what you think on this script, on the video itself, and if you like, please subscribe to my channel, and maybe we see us next time. Bye!